Hey people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Asmeet and today we'll be learning about methods. We have already done with so many methods in the previous videos, but we just left it once. So today's topic is dynamic system development methods. So let's learn together. So the first question comes to mind is, what is dynamic system development method? So dynamic system development method is an agile project delivery framework that first came out in 1994 and were at that time used for software development. It was meant to improvement of rapid application development, which prioritized rapid prototyping and iteration based on user feedback. We have already made a detailed video on agile method. Do check it out. As with many agile delivery methods, the DSDM Agile Project Framework eventually moved from being software-specific solution to more general project management tool. Elements of dynamic system development method, which includes set apart from other method by reliance on the strong foundation and governance. The incremental iterative approach to progress user or customer feedback is a key on ongoing improvement. Rely on strict cost, quality and time constant. Prioritize scope according to must have, should have, could have or won't have. Besides the practice itself, DSDM also gave a way to creation of new DSDM consortium in 1994. Software engineers and other experts handed together to develop and improve the framework as valid alternative to more rapid application methodology. At times, the group involved representatives from British Airways, American Express, Oracle, Data Science, and etc. The group now rebranded and now goes by Agile Business Consortium. Now let's understand DSDM principle. So DSDM Agile principle are the guiding force behind every project. There are 8 principles in total. First one, focus on business need. Deliver on time. Collaborate. Third one, never compromise quality. Build incrementally from the business firm. Develop iteratively. Communicate continuously and clearly. And demonstrate the control. DSDM techniques and practices. What makes DSDM stand out from other systems development methods? So let's find it out. Time boxing. DSDM adheres to strict deadline standards. To do so, one must break down the whole project into small items. Items that have each firm budget and time frame. To navigate this, requirements are prioritized. If time or money is running out, the lowest priority requirements are removed. A finished project that comes from only most initial requirement items. Second one is MOSQ. This is a prioritization group used to rank items from the highest level to importance of the lowest. The prioritization groups are must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Configuration management helps to navigate all these computing deliverables, often being developed at the same time. Modeling and iterative development. Modeling helps to visualize different aspects of project along the way. This helps to present each item in development and allows for iterative development by providing regular feedbacks and implementing improvement. Prototyping. Like many other agile methodologies, prototyping is essential to test run the project at the early conceptual stage. It is a way to map out the basic function, discover the glaring weaknesses and allow users to test run the software. Workshops. Users and stakeholders are brought together to discuss the requirement, issues, result, and testing. DSDM relies on high level of user interaction. Right from get-go. Testing is usually important for DSDM as it ensures high quality results. DSDM roles. Any agile system development will have a list of roles that must be filled. DSDM is the same. According to the handbook, there are essential roles in DSDM environment. So let's study that. First one is an executive sponsor, the project champion. Second one is a visionary. Third is an ambassador user. And fourth is an advisor user. Fifth, we have the project manager. Sixth one is a technical coordinator. They will design the system architecture and can be responsible for quality control of all technical elements. Seventh one is a team leader. The leader of the team, responsible for coordination and facilitating the collaboration. Eighth one we have is a solution developer. Navigate any system requirement, model the system, develop the deliverable codes, and create the prototype. Ninth one we have is a solution tester. Test the product and provide comment and documentation where errors arises. They also retest after correction are implemented. Let me give you some tips of project management in DSDM. This tip can help you to get most of your DSDM project. Although all agile system can broad benefit for using part of this knowledge. First one is a senior management and all employee must understand and can be bored with the methodology chosen for the project. Second one, the team heading the project must commit to user testing, feedback and involvement across the whole process from conception to launch. Third one, there must be a stable and empowered core project team. Members of the team must have a decision-making power to ensure the process don't get tied up in endless abstract proposal and approve process. The team must also have everything that needs to be function, like right technology, healthy development environment, project management tools, and more. Fourth one, there must be a supportive and proactive relationship between the customer and the vendor, whether the project are internally developed or contracted out. Hopefully, you would have understood the uses and importance of DSDM. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do check out our wonderful book on project management. Thank you for watching this video.